So this is Silver Peak, Upper Pole Creek drainage, about a little over 8,300 feet on an east-northeast aspect. And looking at the snowpack here from a standpoint of wet snow instability, it's the top of my 260 centimeter probe sticking out of the little bit of a pit here. And then getting into this area here, we got some wet snow on the surface. And then we've got our melt freeze layer, and then we get in here to snow that has not fully transitioned to wet snow, and it is softer. It's one finger hard in here where we have pencil hard melt freeze crust on top of it, what's left, and a very supportable second melt freeze crust below it. Doing tests on this layer, propagation saw test, extended column test, don't show that this is a particular weak layer, so when it does melt all the way through into this layer, we just see a lot of wet loose snow on top. And we do have another softer layer down in here of cold snow sandwiched between melt freeze crust, but it's in a rounded state. It's quite strong. It doesn't look to be much of a weak layer either. So definitely looking at just amounts of wet snow from an instability standpoint here developing through the day, especially once this upper layer finishes melting completely.